Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we go about unlocking a user's account inside of Active Directory users and computers. To do this, we'll need to access Active Directory users and computers either through the administrative tools or through Server Manager, clicking on Tools, and now we can go to Active Directory users and computers. Once you're inside of your Active Directory users and computers management console, just go on down to Users, open that container up, expand it. Now here in the center window, you're going to go down, you're going to find that user account that has been locked out. Once you have found the user's account, just double click. And from here, inside of the properties for the user, just go to the Accounts tab. And you'll see that if the account is locked, there will be a check mark here. Underneath here, where it says Unlock Account, there will be a reason why the account was locked out. Too many failed attempts, incorrect password, whatever the reason was. You can unlock the account just by removing the check mark, saying apply, saying OK. Now the user will be able to log back onto his computer and join the domain. And if you need to disable someone's account, just find the user's account, double click it, go to the Account tab, and check that box to lock the account. That's all you have to do. Say OK, and now that user's account is locked. Locking account may be something you want to have done because someone's being terminated or they've gone on to an extended vacation. It's not uncommon to leave a user's account in place inside of Active Directory users and computers until a certain amount of time has passed to make sure that everything on that user's computer can still be accessed